really coming down now. There's another deer coming in a different area. Just got done raining. Look at all that steam coming off the cement. Couple of bucks. All the steam from the heat and the rain. Well, these were the ones I just showed you. This must be Prancer coming up like that. And his little friend, I can tell, is behind him. Hi, sweetie. Just got done pouring, so they must have went in the woods for the rain, and then rain stopped and they came out to the meadow.
You're gonna get all the good stuff. Big flowers. You see somebody, Alice? We see.
You're all alone. All your buddies took off.
Someday you're gonna...
You'll catch up with them, though. Well, it's nice having this time alone with you, Prancer. It's been a long time. Just nice, quiet time alone. You taking off, boy?
Catch up with the gang.
Going to be with your friends? Well, you take care, sweetie. You have a good night. Gonna stay around a little while longer? We still miss your mommy, too. That's just your little friend out there.
Sure looks like Joey, doesn't it?
Oh, I think it's that little one that looks like Joey. Bye-bye, sweetheart. There's the other little friend.
Sure look like Joey to me. You, Joey? You look like Joey.
He doesn't act like Joey.
Those bees.
You're a cutie, though. Some people are watching them and they're watching the people. I'm standing up looking down at them. I'm at a higher point. You don't like that? You like me better sitting down? There's your little buddy. Oh, I don't know what spooked him. I keep thinking you're leaving and then you come back, Prancer. You boys taking off? He used to do that when he was a baby. So now he's behind us. He used to sit here and look way out and look for him and his mama, his brother, and we happened to look behind us and they were all just standing there looking at us. This is the first this season I've seen any of them in this area though. Okay, God bless. And there's Mama Doe way out there. I doubt whether she'll come in any closer, but God bless. Go ahead. It's just us. Nobody's gonna get you.
Take a walk with us? Oh no.
You wanna come home? You got bugs up your nose? I know you're not hissing at us. Okay, sweetie. You take care, Prancer. You and your friend and Mama Doe, you all take care of each other. And those two little babies she's got.